Additional guarding for the front powertrain components can be obtained through the front A-arm guard kit. It's very simple. It consists of 2 plastic guards, 1 for each side of the machine. Each guard is mounted with 5 T25 self-tapping fasteners through holes that are already existing on the underside of the front A-arms. Now I'm going to show you how to install the front A-arm guards. So there are 5 fasteners. The first step is to hand tighten each of the 5 fasteners into the holes. Once each of the 5 fasteners are hand tightened into the holes, finish them with the T25 drill. To complete the installation, repeat the same process for the other side of the machine. While you don't have to jack the front of the machine up to install the A-arm guards, it does make the job a lot easier for tool access. If you choose to do this, be sure you use jack stands to secure the machine in an elevated position. And also, while you don't have to use a power driving tool, it does make the job easier. For more information, contact your participating UTV CAT dealer or visit us at cat.com.